Cool winds pass through the frosty air. Naked souls that are cold and scared. They're small, they're soft, but oh so bare. In a frigid world that doesn't care.
Introducing Coats for Cats, an initiative to recycle 100% real human facial hair into life-saving coats for these shivering angels. You can do your part by grooming yourself with an Atlas Precision 5-blade razor and sending us your hair. Just one envelope of neck-beard hair is enough to make a real difference. It's just one way Atlas razors are making the world a little less cold and a little more handsome. Welcome to Atlas, a better shave for a better world.